ready to start doing something else. Wasn't me,
Japanese beetles ain't gonna be able to do nothing to our fruit trees. Not this season. And they started early. So we had to go get prevention early. Alright, family, so it comes with a bag, 2 bags, hang tie, and your little bait. So that's 2 bags. This is what the bag hangs on. Is it 2 of these? No, it go together. Because you got to make it. And then a bait. So we just got an extra bait to go with it. But we only going to set up 1 bag. So, hope it works. We'll let you know. Stay tuned.
Right there.
We got a trick for you, buddy.
No, it's a ladybug. I love ladybugs.
That's not a ladybug.
It's a Japanese beetle. It's eating up our plants. And we got something for them.
What?
We back peaches.
But it looks like.
Move back something for me, baby. Mama we gotta get it off, and I don't want it to fall on you. Japanese beetle, y'all. On the citrus. What's up, family? Welcome back to the channel. We out here, and we finna put this fly trap, this Japanese beetle trap, to protect our citrus and protect our plum and stuff. So, I put it together. It's real simple. All I did was slide the 2 corners together, made it a 4-part, got the little pack, stuck it in, open it up now, and you face it in the middle. I got 1 down low and 1 up high. Then the little bags, the hooks, pretty simple, and the little tie. So what I'm finna do is I'm finna put this up.
And of course I'm overkill because it only comes with one of the scent attractants to lure the bugs in the bag. But of course I got a extra one so it can pull all of it. It might even pull it from the neighbors.
She real overkill, y'all, because we only need 1, and it do a 1/4 of an acre. Just one now.
And we own
2 on there.
We own a 1/4 of an acre, so
we finna set this up, y'all. Hopefully, we gonna fill this bag up, and we gonna give it to our chickens, because chickens love beetles. It's good for them, good protein for them. So we gonna fill this bag up and try to protect our harvest out here, because they already attacking. They early. They don't supposed to attack.
They ain't supposed to come out till next month in June.
And they out
it's
now.
May, close to the end of May, and they out.
Out now. But I'm finna hang this up out here in the field, behind the peach tree. And
in front of the plums and
in the back. Look at that peach tree. They out see. I'm trying to protect this. Look at all the new growth. Gotta get out here and get something for them ants. They kind of bad this year too.
We got something for the ants. It keep raining. Dallas Merchant's Earth do good for ants.
Yeah.
It just keep raining.
I'm gonna set this up right here, y'all. I might get a little hang. Woo, it's strong too.
It's so strong. It made my head hurt. It smelled like a citrus tree, y'all. So that explains why the last clip it was on the citrus trees. It's the lurant to attract them. It smells just like citrus.
So we're gonna put that right here. Hopefully we don't get no more rain and it fill my bag up, because I'm gonna be hot about that, because it ain't just they wrong for setting you 1. They wrong for that now. And I don't need that being filled up with water, because I need to get all them beetles.
Yeah, so
that's what we did, y'all. We went to Home Depot and found the Japanese beetle trap. They started early, so we had to go and get that out the way. So to protect the harvest, you gotta do what you gotta do to protect your harvest. You gotta protect your food. You see this? Your food. You gotta protect that now. And
we'll see y'all in the next clip.